battery went dead on the video camera, and actually don't remember what I've done with the charger at this point, so I'm continuing some video with the cell phone. But because the battery went dead, I skipped a bunch of the body reassembly, which was kind of boring anyway. Who cares, right? I've got body work reassembled, and just got to basically I'm putting on the underbody stuff and carrying on. Parking brake cable was a pain in the butt, just to get it reattached. Trick to that I had to figure out. I measured the clutch yesterday. I got a little over 31 millimeters on the clutch. I've got to put oil in it still. I'm going to bleed the front brakes. I've already bled the rears and bled the clutch out, so I'm going to bleed out the front brakes so it's got fresh brake fluid in it. Bled the brakes 2 years ago, but it's been 2 years, which means it's time for a brake fluid flush again. So I've got to put this big panel on, the main underbelly panel, or under. It's not the diffuser. The diffuser goes behind that. I've still got to put that on too. Right now, I'm gonna start putting that piece on. Oh yeah, then these little covers for the rocker panels, for the door sills, basically door sill plates, these have to go on. I had to pop these off with the plastic spatulas to access 3 screws on each side that were underneath. So before I can get these on, I got to peel off all this old adhesive, both on these parts and on the door jamb, and then reapply some new double-sided tape on those, which is it's just gonna take time. These are just some of the remaining pieces of the rear fender liners and diffuser elements. That is a giant snap-on torque wrench that actually does go high enough without the torque multiplier to properly torque the wheels. And these are some 150 or so screws that still have to make their way into the bottom of the car. That's all for now.